is not a dirty video. Diphthongs occur when two or more vowels merge to make one sound. Here we'll explore the common diphthongs found in the Basque language. Hi, I'm Shanna, and this is Basque Berserk. Diphthongs are relatively common in the Basque language. They give color and vibrancy to Basque words, and even Basque sentences. Here I'll give you some examples of each diphthong. Ai, ai. Bai, bai. Lasai, lasai. Aita, aita. Au, au. Gau, gau. Jaun, jaun. Au sartu, au sartu. Ei, ei. Sei, sei. Deitu, deitu. Eibar, eibar. Eu, eu. This can definitely be a difficult sound to master. Neu, neu. Euskara, euskara. Euti, euti. Oi, oi. Oin, oin. Savoy, savoy. Soinu, soinu. Ui, ui. This can be a little tricky too. Buia, buia. Escuin, escuin. Fruitu, fruitu. And that's it. Not only are they found within words, but they can also cross words when one vowel is at the end of a word and the next vowel is at the beginning of another word. And sometimes, since Basque speakers like to speed over words and consonants, especially B, D, and G, you can find diphthongs in places that you would least expect them. Adio becomes ayo, and dago becomes dao. Don't worry if it sounds like gibberish for now. Eventually, you will learn to pick out words and sounds and letters, despite them mushing together. After all, part of speaking Basque is saying as much as you can in as little time as possible. Thanks for watching. Agur!